Hey, what's up everyone? Are you on the hunt for a smartphone that's packed with powerful features, but won't empty your wallet? Well, your search is finally over. Because Nokia is about to launch a phone that's going to blow away the competition. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia NX Pro 5G. This beast of a phone is rumored to come with a 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 8000 mAh battery. It's not just Pro in name, it's got the specs to back it up. So, let's dive into all the juicy details about its full specifications, price, and launch date. Let's get started. Features of the Nokia NX Pro 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. The Nokia NX Pro 5G is rumored to sport a stunning 6.82-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. Imagine the incredible picture quality you'll get. It's like having a movie theater right in your pocket. Plus, with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, your gaming and scrolling experience will be fluid and flawless. To keep it safe, the display is protected by Gorilla Glass 6, has an IP69 rating for durability, and features an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. Camera setup. For all you camera lovers out there, this phone is a dream come true. It's rumored to feature a quad camera setup, with a main sensor of a whopping 200 megapixels. You'll also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 16 megapixel wide lens, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And Nokia didn't forget about selfies. There's a 32 megapixel front camera, so you can capture every moment with crystal clear quality. Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone is set to leave other flagships in the dust. It's powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which will make this phone lightning fast. On the software side, it's also ahead of the curve, coming with the latest Android 16 operating system right out of the box. Battery life. Now for the most important part, the battery. This phone is rumored to pack a monstrous 8000 mAh battery, which should easily last you for 2 to 3 days on a single charge. And with 125 watt fast charging support, your phone will go from 0 to full in just a few minutes. Price and launch date. So, the big question is, how much will all these amazing features cost? The estimated price for the Nokia NX Pro 5G is around $500. As for the launch date, we can expect this phone to make its debut in early 2026. So, what do you all think of this new Nokia phone? Are you excited about it? Let us know in the comments below.